Tonight I'm working on something easy. Theoretically, every time I say easy, something happens. But just 1/4 inch round. Taper in the bottoms. The other end I've got a leaf. I've got 5 of these, just a tiny little leaf on the other end. These are going to be hose guides. Got a garden show coming up for Free State Blacksmith Club. And we need some more stuff to sell at our table. And I could make these on site, they are easy enough, but I just figured get some started. The neck of these leaves is really small, so I'm nervous to hammer on this cold at all. I don't want the vibrations to come up and crack the neck off. Then this goes in the ground, and your hose just like snakes through there. And it's not a completely enclosed hole, so you can easily just slip the hose in and out as needed. So pretty simple concept, but it's a garden show, so I'm hoping that they do well. And I didn't do any decoration on these tiny little leaves. I don't know. Let me know. Do you think I should do decoration on these tiny little leaves? Oh my god, look how bad I'm sweating. And I've only been out here like 30 minutes. Yeah, let me know if you think these need to have, you know, the veins put in. It would be really small. You probably wouldn't even see it from a standing height. I just forgot I was filming this stuff. This is my last one. I'm just cleaning them off now, giving them a coat of wax. I was going to use like finishing wax, not like food safe wax, because it's just a hose thing, but I don't know for sure what any specific person is going to use it for. You know, maybe they'll use it to hold their clematis or something, you know, like the roses, or I don't know, any kind of climbing, or like naked ladies, and you know, irises, stuff with tall stems that want to droop over. Maybe they'll use them for those. And I don't know if furniture polish is okay for that stuff. I don't know if it would hurt it. So this is actually a melted candle, but all the candles we buy are from local shows, and we know what's in it. And I know this is all it's either goat milk or what's the other? I don't know, but it's safe. I'm not worried about it touching plants. I probably wouldn't use it for food safe stuff because it's got like perfumes in it or whatever. But yeah, so let me show you the finished product. That's all of them. So that's those.